E. Today, I will try to tell you how to make $400 today with zero investment _ step-by-step tutorial.
With $1 every 10 seconds, we did about $400 today and $200 yesterday on a complete autopilot for completely free without selling anything and without having a website. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to set this up from any country around the world with no previous experience and without investing a single dollar. And yes, this does in fact actually work all over the world. The step number one is to actually sign up to this platform that I've been using to make money, where you can actually get paid $1 to $3 depending on the offer you choose. And the platform is called CPA Elite, and CPA stands for cost per action, and most of these offers pay you when someone just enters their email address. Once you create a brand new account from scratch, this is how it's going to look like. Your dashboard is obviously going to say $0 because you just made an account, but that should change once you start referring people to different offers. Now, what I recommend you do first things first is apply some filters to these offers, because as you can see, we do have a bunch of them, but they're also targeted by different countries. Now, what we want to target is we want to target only one specific country. In this case, that's going to be the US. Then we also want to change the offer types, and we want to only focus on email submit, because those are the easiest ones. It's a lot easier to just make someone enter their email address than it is to make them buy something or spend their money. So in this case, people don't even have to spend any money. They literally just have to enter their email address. And on the right hand side, you can see the payouts. If someone enters their email address for this offer, you would be paid $3.48 per email. In this case, 27 cents per email. Some of these pay you up to $1 per email submitted. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to set up multiple offers in an autopilot system to hopefully get as many signups as possible in less than 10 seconds.